In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the footer in Wix. We'll go through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Wix editor as you watch. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hide the footer on any specific page of your site without affecting your other pages. First, start by logging into your Wix account in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard for the site you want to edit. On this dashboard, look for the Setup or Site section. In the top right area of the screen, you should see a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open your site editor in a new page or tab. Give it a moment to load. When the editor finishes loading, you'll see your website layout in the center and a vertical toolbar on the left side of the screen. This left toolbar is where you manage most of your site's structure and content. Next, we're going to choose the page where you want the footer removed. On that left toolbar, find and click the Pages and Menu icon. It usually looks like a small list or a set of stacked lines. When you click it, a panel will slide out, showing your site menu. This is the list of all the pages on your site. In the Site Menu tab, locate the page where you don't want to show a footer. Click on that page name once to select it. After you select it, look to the right side of that page name for a More Options icon. This is commonly shown as 3 dots. Click that icon, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. A new settings panel will open for that specific page. At the top of this panel, find and click the Layout section. Inside the Layout options, look for the setting that controls headers and footers. Here, select the option that says No Header and Footer. This tells Wix not to display either the header or the footer on this particular page. Once you've selected that, you can close or collapse the open panels on the left so you can see your page clearly again. Scroll down to the bottom of the page in the editor, and you'll notice that the footer area is now gone for this page. And that's it. You've successfully removed the footer from a page in Wix.